Hey there, here's how to install ChatGPT on your iPhone to get all of that AI power. So, we start by going to the App Store, then in the search bar at the top, type in chat for ChatGPT. The first item is ChatGPT, press that. And now we have a couple of items. Please make sure you use ChatGPT and not ChatON or any other derivative. Here we have ChatGPT, the official app by OpenAI. This is the one we want. Press on the install. We'll give this a couple of moments to install. Depending on the speed of your connection, that will dictate how long the install takes. As you can see, it's completed. I'll now click Open. It says Welcome to ChatGPT. Click Continue. And now it's ready to answer some questions. So type in anything you like and the power of AI will deliver that message to you. So I hope that's helped. Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.